Hi, today we're going to see how to whiten teeth in Photopea. So the first thing I'm going to do is to zoom in. So left click here, select the zoom tool and then left click to zoom in. So here it is. And now I need to add an adjustment layer. So left click here and then select the hue and saturation adjustment layer. So here it is. And now I'm just going to move my image. So select the hand tool. I'm going to move to the left so we can see the effect. And now here on the hue and saturation, the range here controls each colors here. So for the master, it will control all the colors. The hue will control the type of color, for example, blue, red, and so on. Saturation will control the intensity, and the lightness will control the lightness, the brightness. So I'm just going to select the range here. I'm just going to select the yellow since I just want to affect the yellow color in this image here to affect the teeth. So I'm going to reduce the saturation all the way down. So as you can see, teeth are beginning to whiten. It's much better. And now I just need to brighten them by increasing the lightness. So here like this, you can increase it all the way up. So I'm going to increase it all the way up. So now I'm just going to close this window here. So I'm still on the hand tool, I'm just going to move it. And now here, if for example I select the zoom tool, right click and fit the area. So here I have affected all the yellow colors on the image here. So in order to affect only the teeth here, I just need to invert this raster mask here. So just hold the control key and then I, click on I. So here it is, it inverted the mask here. So now it's a black. So on a raster mask, the black represents transparency and the white opacity. So now if I paint white on the teeth here, it will only show the teeth where I use the adjustment layer. So I'm just going to select the brush tool. So here it is. So for the size, I'm going to leave it with 87, hardness is 93. Make sure you're selecting the raster mask, and now I'm just going to paint on the teeth here like this. So here it is. So as you can see, even if I'm using the brush on the lips here, it's not affecting the red since we just used the yellow here. We just going to affect the yellow color. And now if I hide, so let's see the before and the after. So here it is. I'm just going to select this adjustment layer and then merge down. So here it is. That's how you whiten teeth in Photopea. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and till next time.